So inside the breezeway at Loch Lomond Mall, there are 3 working payphones. You don't see these anymore.
Don't they have them at the hospital?
They might be at the hospital, I don't know. But I mean generally in the stores and stuff. They are still working. I picked it up. Got a dial tone. The operator come on and told me how to use it. Let's see. It says, please completely insert your card or dial the number you are calling. And this one works, I'm assuming. It says, please lift receiver. June the 1st, 2023 at 6:53 p.m. Local calls, 50 cents. Isn't that cool?
Wait, these were effect 2018.
Yeah, they'd have to check them out. There's our payphones. Have a good day, and I'll see you again.